Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
First and foremost, I never expected a nomination. There are 16 evaluators and observers from all over the world. And I happen to be one of them, but I am one of the junior most. But suddenly there has been a windfall for the last 3 months. They have been following my work, and I have been absorbed into the IBA RJ's committee. I was put as the sole observer for the World Youth Men and Women Championship at Poland, and again at the Asian Championship in Dubai. And this nomination came to me as a pleasant surprise, but it is a dream come true. See, we are a few evaluators who have been selected from the international technical officials to assess the referees and judges at every championship. This has started happening from the Rio Olympics. At the Rio Olympics, there were some manipulations that were found, and it is very bad for the name of IBA and the boxing world. So, ever since, we've been evaluating, assessing, and watching the manipulations of these referees and judges. We've been given powers to demote, suspend or arrest the RJs who are not up to the mark. And we want to do this at this Olympics as well. We want clear, neutral and transparent judging. We want clear, neutral and transparent judging. Now, International Olympic Committee, the Boxing Task Force, has taken this task upon them to ensure the world that boxing will be absolutely neutral and very, very transparent and very, very fair for the boxers. At the Olympics, we will be having one boxing ring, both for men and for women. We've had 4 qualifiers, 4 confederation qualifiers, Asian Olympic qualifier, European Olympic qualifier, African Olympic qualifier and America's Olympic qualifier. The America's Olympic qualifier could not be completed due to COVID. I was nominated for 2 Olympic qualifiers. I was also nominated for the America's qualifier, but it could not happen because of the COVID. So from there we have selected boxers. We've selected boxers who've come into the finals, and we have quite a number of very, very good boxers who will be boxing. Now, we will be watching, and we've also selected referees and judges from the 4 confederations, okay, 8 referees and judges from each confederation. So that becomes 32, and Japan has 1. So 33 referees and judges will be officiating at this championship. Now, everybody knows that the prize money given to boxers who win at Olympics is very, very big. In some states, it is in crores. Haryana gives 5 crores to a medal winning athlete at the Olympics. So it is huge money. So there could be manipulations. So not only do we evaluate, we analyze every bout, every round, the whole night long. And in the morning, we have a briefing with the observer and the technical delegate and inform him which are the good referees, which are the good judges, and which are the judges not up to the mark or who are manipulating. So those, we keep a strict watch on them. We have a lot of talent in Goa and a lot of young youth have the potential to become champions. Now, I really wish Sports Authority of Goa makes a strong move, puts in money and gets in equipment, necessary equipment, gets their coaches. We have 8 boxing coaches in Goa. Very soon I will be having a heart-to-heart meeting with these coaches and explain to them it is not only the officials who have to go to the top rung. It is basically the association is for the boxers, and we want our boxers to come up. Goa has a lot of potential, and I am sure if things go right, Goa can create not only national champions, Asian champions and Olympic champions. I would like the youth of Goa to take up boxing as a sport, as a fitness activity, and believe me, you will be having very good positive vibes the whole day long. I am expecting my air ticket anytime now, and I should be leaving on July 17th.
July 17th.
The COVID rules are very, very stringent. We have to take RT-PCR for 7 days before we reach Japan, and once we reach Japan, again 7 days RT-PCR.
प्रुडंटा खातीर क्लायव्ह आल्वारीस आनी तुकाराम मराठे.